Hello, we are the Group 6, and we are here to teach you about computations in Java.
To the main topic, let us have a quick review about Java programming. Java is a programming language expressly designed for use in the distributed environment of the internet. It was designed to have the look and the feel of the C++ language, but is simpler to use than C++ and enforces an object-oriented programming model. The virtual machine makes a number of checks on each object to ensure integrity. Java is object-oriented, which means that among the other characteristics, an object can take advantage of being part of a class of objects and inherit code that is common to the class objects. Are taught as nouns that a user might relate to rather than traditional procedural verbs. A method can be thought of as one object capabilities of behaviors. In addition to being executed at the client rather than the server, a Java applet has other characteristics designed to make it run fast.
There are eight different built-in types of data in Java, and it divided into three groups, which is the integral data type, floating point data types, and the Boolean. Integral data types is a data type that deals with integers or numbers without a decimal part or character. It consists of five types such as char, byte, short, int, and long. Floating point data types is a data type that deals with decimal numbers. It includes float and double. And lastly, Boolean, that deals with logical values. The most important operators defined for Booleans are AND, OR, and NOT. First, A and B is true if both A and B are true and false otherwise. Second, A or B is true if either or B is true or both are true and false otherwise. Not A is true if A is false and false otherwise. Mathematical expressions in the same way that they are used in algebra. We can use arithmetic operators to perform calculation with values in programs. A value used on either side of an operator is called an operand. The arithmetic operators are example of binary operators because they are required to operands. The operands of the arithmetic operators must be a number numeric type. The basic arithmetic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, all behave as you would expect for all numeric types. The modulus operator turns the remainder of a division operation. It can be applied to floating point types as well as integer types. The increment operator increases its operand by 1. The decrement operator decreases its operand by 1.
In this second example, I will teach you how to create a simple program for converting kilometers to miles using the graphical user interface.
Create a project. Click File, then select New Project. Click Java Application and proceed to the next step. Type the desired name for your project and uncheck this side and click Finish. After doing so, right-click your project and create new Java class. And then enter kilometers to miles, then start doing your program. At the top of the public class name, use the package import javax.swing. This package has the ability to create graphical user interface or GUI. that are independent for Windows and for operating system. To declare the variables, use kmstr for kilometer string as an input box. Use the data type double for the variables km and mi. For this program, we will use JOption class. It is the component which provides standard methods to pop up a standard dialog boxes for a value or informs user of something. And then use the variable kmstr as an input dialog box for inputting kilometers. And convert the input to double with the use of variable km. For the process, create a code for formula. We all know that 1 kilometer is equivalent to 0.621 miles. So we will use formula km times 0.621 and pass the value to mi variable. After creating the process, display the equivalent value of kilometers to miles for the output using JOption pane that show message dialog. And lastly, run the program.